let's welcome a great friend in the business. No, so she's a graduate of UP BS Nutrition, and she also does her private practice as a nutritionist dietitian, registered nutritionist dietitian, and prior to that, she also worked in the government hospital. Okay, so sa UPPGH. So grabe, massive ang experience niya when it comes to health. And she's really an advocate of health, especially women's health, reproductive health. Ayan. So, she's also a reservist, something, I hope tama yung term ko, pero she's really serving, di ba, with her heart on her sleeves, di ba? So, I'm very proud to be the one introducing her tonight in our webinar. Let's all welcome Coach Gian Rico. Hello, Coach.
Hello po, magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ayan, naka-spotlight na ako, no? And welcome po to our webinar all about dropshipping. Thank you po sa mga attendees natin in advance and welcome. So tama po yung sinabi ni Coach Lyra, no? Really stay hanggang sa dulo kasi we have a very special speaker pa mamaya. And yung first part na ito is kumbaga introductory pa lang, no? Very basic, no? Yung mga matututunan natin, and in-depth is yung second speaker natin, yung talagang personal experience. Yan. So anyway, ayan, nag-share na po tayo ng screen. Thank you po kay Coach Trish sa atin pong team, no, for putting this together. Ayan. So again, I'm Coach Gian. I'm a registered nutritionist dietitian. So I do private practice. No, well, I was in college, I was given the award, no, yung mga public service award, leadership award, yan. No, and of course, also an entrepreneur. So, bakit po tayo nandito ngayon? Sige po, sa next slide. I firmly believe po dito sa sinasabi ni Warren Buffett. Sino si Warren Buffett, no? Isa siya sa richest man on earth. Siya ang nag-imbento ng buffet. Tama ba? Joke lang. No, ayan. No? So, hindi buffet. Iba yung mga company niya. Anyway, sabi niya, never depend on a single source of income. 'Di ba? Sobrang relate po tayo dito lahat ngayon. So, alam po natin yung nangyayari, no? Grabe po yung inflation, kaya yan rin po yung topic natin ngayon. You might be someone na may family or meron po kayong mga binabayaran or you're someone na nagsisave, no? Pero we are all affected and lahat po tayo nakaka-relate dito. So pataas po ng pataas yung expenses, but sadly, yung source of income po natin is hindi po siya sumasabay. 'Di ba? Sino po yung mga nakaka-relate dito? Kumbaga, yung pag-increase ng income, no, sobrang konti lang, pero yung expenses talagang nagulat ka na lang yung 500 pesos mo. Ano na lang, ilang piraso na lang sa groceries. Tama? Ngayon, yung gap po nito, nung income natin and nung ating expenses, madalas, saan po natin kinukuha? 'Di ba? Sa mga utang, no? Sa mga loan, credit card, and ito rin pong mga utang and credit card, madalas may mga interest po sila. So malinaw po na kailangan po nating lahat mag-add ng additional source of income. So dito po sa ating next slide, meron pong iba't ibang sources ng income. Nandiyan po yung active, nandito po yung passive. When we say active, no, ito po yung no work, no pay. Pwede rin namang regular ka sa work, no, pero alam mo na, pag nag-retire ka or umabsent ka or nag-leave, most of the time wala kang matatanggap. Whereas yung passive income, ito po yung isang source of income na i-build mo siya sa simula, no? Medyo maraming effort sa simula. Pero later on, habang tumatakbo na yung sistema, tuloy-tuloy na po yung flow ng income. Kahit umabsent ka sometime in the future or magbakasyon, meron ka pa ring maaasahan. And aside from the term na passive income, we also want leverage income. Yan. So we want something that we can leverage on. Hindi lang tayo magre-rely sa personal effort natin sa ating services, sa ating time, no? Kasi sabi nga nila, if you don't find a way to earn while you sleep, you will work until you die, no? Medyo morbid, no? Pero yan po yung katotohanan. Sige, on our next slide, ano po ba yung mga options that we have? Of course, sabi natin leverage, isa pong way para magkaroon ng leverage income is yung pagkakaroon ng global direct selling business. Okay? At pag sinabi po nating global direct selling business, isang uri po nito ay yung dropshipping. Na, na nakita nyo po sa video kanina, yan po yung paulit-ulit na piniplay, no? Kasi marami pong possible sources of income, pero of course, the best po yung negosyo talaga, no? Kasi ito po yung lumalaki, may control ka somehow, no? And talagang sistema siya na tumatakbo. So sa dropshipping, we will partner with a certain company. Yung company, ang maganda po sa company na partner natin, gawa na po yung website, storefront, meron na po siyang logistics, meron na siyang partners, no, na mga companies na mainstream na yung sistema niya, expanding worldwide, may manufacturer, meron na rin siyang warehouse. No, ang goal mo na lang talaga is to connect the website to the customers. So yun po yung malinaw, no? Marami po kasing ibang company din. Kailangan mo paaralin yung website and so on. Sa atin lahat nakaayos na yan. Okay? So, sa pagpa-partner po with a certain company, anong industry yung maganda? Ayan, so sa next slide, makikita po natin, marami pong iba't ibang industry, okay, na pumupunta rin sa dropship, okay? Pero natuto po tayo ng pandemic, ang pinakamaganda pong industry ay nasa health talaga, no? Kasi ito po ay yung essential, okay? So, magkaroon man ng quarantine, pandemic, whatsoever, kapag health-related, this is essential, no? Pandemic-proof, weather-proof, at kahit ano pa man, no? Very stable yung industry. Kung hindi man stable, it's here to stay. On top of that, kailangan, of course, present din siya online sa e-commerce industry. And nandiyan din yung healthcare kasi ayaw na nung mga tao mag-rely sa gamot, no? We're into wellness din. Ano yung pwedeng gawin para hindi ka masyadong magkasakit? So sa next slide po, ano ang magandang company to partner with sa wellness industry? Ang pinapakilala po namin sa inyo ay USANA Health Sciences. So para po sa mga kasama natin, o di ba? Sino po familiar sa USANA? Hindi po ito yung sinasabi sa simbahan, ha? Hosanna to the highest. You sana, as in ikaw sana. Yan po yung ibig sabihin, no? So type 1 nga po dun sa mga kasama natin na kumbaga first time narinig talaga, first time na encounter yung you sana, no? So dito naman po i-type natin number 2. If for example, parang medyo naririnig-rinig mo na, may nakabanggit na sa'yo, na-encounter mo, nakita mo sa isang tarpaulin, di ba? Type 3, no? Kung for example, kayo po ay alam mo yon, nakagamit, naka-attend na ng ganitong presentation, nakinig, di ba? Kumbaga lumalalim na yung familiarity. At syempre type 4, if you are already a part of the family. Ayan, the healthiest family on earth. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lang po. Sige nga po, type po natin. Ayan, thank you po sa mga nagre-respond. Yun. So far, maraming mga nag-respond ng 4. Meron ding nag-respond ng 1. So no problem kung first time natin na encounter. This is the perfect opportunity for you to learn about it. Sa mga number 4, ayan, okay po na makikita nyo, no? Ang dami na pong part ng family. So there's really something about this na talagang nakakatulong, no? And really interesting kasi syempre itong mga taong ito, of course they also check this, hindi rin basta-basta magiging magte-take ng something that they don't know. So on the next slide, sino nga po ba si Yusana? So si USANA is an industry leader in the wellness, no? 30 years na po, more than 30 years na nasa wellness industry, no? Talagang leader po ito dito. And of course, what else? Marami pa po tayong mga awards, mga recognitions, mga accolades sa mga third party. Sige po. Next slide po. So, ilan po sa mga naging award ni USANA? Dito po sa Philippines, we are the top supplement brand based sa Euromonitor in terms of consumer preference. Hindi na lang po 6 consecutive years. 7 consecutive years. Imagine, since 2019, USANA na po yung pinaka-prefer ng mga Filipinos gamitin. Kumbaga, pinaka-trusted, no? Marami naghahanap ng USANA, napatunayan, naramdaman na nila na maganda talaga yung benefits niya for the health. Okay? And on top of that, we are the official food supplement partner of PBA, Philippine Basketball Association. On the next slide, makikita natin, we are also the official partner of other sports commissions worldwide. So talagang controlled po yung products. Okay, so our laboratory, lahat po ng products ginagawa sa Salt Lake City, Utah. And we expanded to more than 25 markets. Okay, so yan po yung opportunity natin, yan po yung future. Okay, meron pong USANA sa iba't ibang bansa. Okay, so that this is something that you can take advantage bilang isang dropshipping business. So makikita niyo po later on more on that. So on the next page, ito pa po yung ibang mga recognition at award. Ayan, so na-mention ko na kanina, merong partnership with sports commissions. Ngayon, ano ang ina-address ni USANA ng ating company? Of course, nabanggit natin yung goal natin sa finances, pero puntahan muna natin yung health. Bakit health yung industry natin? Sige, so sa next page po, ano po ba yung status ng health ngayon? So, aminin natin sa sarili natin, di ba? Tingnan mo ano ba yung kinain mo for the whole day, no? Isang tanong lang. Sinong nakakain ng 5 cups ng vegetables? As in 5 cups. Hindi toppings ha, hindi yung nilagay-lagay sa ibabaw ng ulam. Cups talaga, 'di ba? So, ako ang kinain ko kanina corned beef na may ginisang pechay bagyo, no? So, hindi yung nakaisang cup, okay? And on top of that, marami pa pong nakakaapekto sa health natin. Stress, pollution, and yung cooking method, yung mga pesticides na ginamit, and so on. Okay? So moving forward, important po yung mga nutrients kasi it really helps us to recover sa mga health issues natin. No? Tinutulungan ng nutrients yung ating cells na mag-detoxify, linisin yung kanyang sarili. Okay? Pero madalas nga po, marami sa atin kulang sa nutrients, kaya ang dami pong mga degenerative diseases. Okay? I'm sure marami din kayong kilala, no? May hypertension, na stroke, kung hindi man close family member, meron kayong friend or parents ng friend, diabetes, no? Grabe yung diabetes. Merong may cancer, no? Dumadami yung cases ng cancer ngayon. Respiratory disease, ayan, may flu, may inuubok, no? Tsaka may mga threat ng iba't ibang viruses. And chronic kidney disease, ito po yung mga, ang taas lagi ng blood pressure, di ba? Tapos, umasa lang sila sa gamot. Wala silang ibang mga ginawang precautions, no, para ingatan yung sarili. So, ang dami pong ganitong health issues. At sa next page po, sabi ni Linus Pauling, yan, nearly all diseases can be traced to a nutritional deficiency. Ibig sabihin yung mga health issues na nakita natin kanina, possible, nagsimula sila sa simpleng nutrient deficiency. 'Di ba? But what if kaya natin siyang tugunan, no, sa umpisa pa lang? Yan po yung goal natin dito sa USANA. No? So napakaganda po ng goal natin at for sure, marami po tayong matutulungan. At sa business, maraming possible na market. Yan. So, sa next page po, no? So, ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung cells, no? Talagang nagre-relay siya sa nutrients to recover, to renew itself. Kasi yung mga health issues po natin, hindi po sila forever. Kaya po nilang makarecover. Kailangan lang maraming nutrients. But if you convert that to food, imagine, di ba, kalahating sako ng spinach. So, sinong artista yung kumakain ng kalahating spinach? Meron ba nun? Si Popeye. Artista ba si Popeye? Drawing pala siya, cartoon. Ayan, o sige. So, next page. Sa next page po, no? Ayan. So, one way to bridge, syempre hindi nga natin kaya gawin po, no? Kahit pa i-blender nyo po yun, hindi din, no? Delikado din po yun. Pag tinry nyo, i-achieve yung kalahating sako ng spinach na naka-blender. Ngayon, ang paraan po dyan is supplementation. Ginagawang tablet, di ba? Para hindi na natin nguyain ng nguyain, gagawin na lang nating tablet, no? With the specific nutrients na kailangan at i-take na lang po natin in tablet form. So, next po, ngayon, ano pong difference ni Usana compared to all of the other supplements sa market? So, ang difference po ni Usana, of course, meron po tayong mga criteria. Number 1 po dyan, it's backed by science. At dahil sobrang grabe po yung pinag-aralan ng mga scientists to research about Usana, no? Ito po yung mga criteria na tiningnan nila. Kompleto ba yung nutrients na laman? Balanse ba yan? Tama ba yung form? Wala ba siyang potential side effect? No? Is it safe to take long term? Yan po yung napakahalagang tanong, no? On the next page, meron pong third-party research. Ayan, sige po, pakita po natin yung mga ratings. Meron pong third-party research na nagsasabi kung alin po ang mga magandang supplements na available worldwide. At sabi po nila dito, chinek din nila yung 5 criteria. On top of that, marami pa silang pinagbasehan. Pero important po yung number 16, potential toxicity. Ano ang effect nito sa'yo kapag tinake mo ng matagal? 'Di ba? Pwede rin palang may harm kapag nag-take ka ng mga vitamins for a long time. Ngayon, ano ang findings ng third-party research? Sabi niya, si Usana Cell Essentials ay 5-star Platinum Plus. It got the highest rating, wala siyang potential negative side effect, at saka potential toxicity, no? Pwede mo siyang i-take ng tuloy-tuloy, wala siyang negative side effects in the future. At what made the major difference? 96.1 bioavailability. Sabi ng mga, 'di ba, doktor, ng mga chemist, chemical engineer, yan pong 96.1 bioavailability. Para kang nag-inject ng nutrients sa dugo mo. Kasi ganun siya kabilis. Nararamdaman mo kaagad, pumapasok agad siya sa cells, nasa dugo mo na siya kaagad. 'Di ba? Parang yung iba, 'di ba nag-i-inject pa sila ng glutathione. Sa atin, hindi na natin kailangan mag-injection. Inumin mo lang yung tablet. Ganun, halos ganun na rin yung effect niya. No? Walang napupunta sa kidney or sa liver na magkukos siya ng mga destruction or stones. Talagang na-absorb natin. Okay? So on the next page, ayan, sige po. Ayan, that's because of our founder, si Dr. Myron Wentz, no? He's a scientist and he dreams of a world free from pain and disease talaga. So napaka-pure ng vision niya, no? At yan po yung anchor ng Usana. Sige po, moving forward, yan. So lahat po nagsisimula sa cells, no? Yan po yung pina-power up natin. And 150 plus scientists ang nag-aaral po nito. Okay? And sige po. Yan, ito po yung minention ko kanina, yung atin pong mga official partnerships, no? Athletes, no? We are trusted by athletes. 'Di ba nauuso sila Iyala ngayon, no? Yung mga tennis player. Pero before pa sumikat si Alex Iyala, USANA na po ang ginagamit ng Women's Tennis Association nila Serena Williams, no? At yung iba pang mga part ng organization na to. And dito po sa Philippines, Philippine Sports Commission, ayan, ito po yung ilan sa mga athletes na gumagamit ng USANA. So hindi po sila binabayaran, ginagamit po talaga nila yan. Sponsored, no? Official partner. At nakikita nyo, di ba, ang ganda ng performance, mga gold medalist, no? Si Heidi Lin, sila Yulo, sila Donnie Nietes, ayan. Even si Manny Pacquiao, he's also using USANA nung active pa siya sa boxing. Yan. So ngayon, dito po sa next page, ito po yung flagship product ni USANA, Cell Essentials. 2 bottles, isang blue, isang green. Yung blue, yan po yung minerals, yung green, yung antioxidants. Napakadami niya pang nutrients na laman, okay? Yung mga hindi usual na nakikita sa market, no, gaya ng selenium, inositol, yan, yung mga NAC, chromium picolinate, yan, yung mga parang dudugo yung ilong natin dyan, no? Pero sobrang important po nito, okay, bihira po sila nakikita sa ibang mga supplements. At isa pong malaking bagay para sa akin, wala siyang label na no approved therapeutic claim sa bote. No, ang nakalagay po is for the treatment and prevention of vitamin and mineral deficiency. So, meron siyang therapeutic claim. Napatunayan talaga nila na nagagawa niya, no? Para siyang gamot, pero ang ginagamot niya sa iyo, yung kulang mo na nutrients. Okay? Sige po, moving forward. So, dito po lahat nagsisimula sa Cell Essentials. Ngayon, may iba pa pong product si Usana. No, anyway, before po tayo pumunta doon, ano pong mararamdaman nyo when you take these Cell Essentials? Sa akin personally, yung nakikita nyo po sa screen, lahat po yan talaga naramdaman ko, no? Pero isa sa favorite ko, quality sleep, no? Kahit 4 to 5 hours lang yung tulog mo, 'di ba? Hindi yung parang pakiramdam mo na gusto mo pang bumalik sa higaan, 'di ba? Gumising ka para matulog ulit. Hindi ganoon. No, paggising mo, ano ka na? Wow, fresh. Ganyan, no? Laban na, no? And then yung energy mo from day hanggang gabi, no? Consistent, stable, no? Sustained. At yung bowel movement, malaking bagay po kasi mahirap, 'di ba? Pag constipated ka, parang ang bigat ng tiyan mo, irritable ka, hindi mo maintindihan. Immunity, very important, no? Kasi ako po, marami akong kilala ng mga doctors when they take Cell Essentials and even other USANA products as long as nagagamit nila to. Confident sila, no, na humarap sa mga pasyente, hindi sila basta-basta nahahawa, no, at na-maintain nila yung energy nila. And of course, sa skin, nakakabata po talaga ng skin. Okay? So, hindi na mahulaan yung mga edad, di ba? Tingnan nyo na lang po yung skin ng mga nag-invite po sa inyo. Si Coach Trish, si Coach Lyra, 'di ba? Si Coach Christy, 'di ba? Akalain nyo ba ganito na yung edad niyan? No joke. Secret, no? Hulaan na lang natin. Anyway, so yan po yung mga benefits. So totoo po 'yan, no? Kasi dito po sa mga next na page, may papakita po tayong personal testimony din para malaman nyo talaga. Totoo po yung sinasabi. Anyway, value for money po yung Cell Essentials, given po yung mga benefits, no, yung laman kanina. Ito po yung katumbas niya sa iba't ibang brand, no? Parang pinaghalo-halo mo yung iba't ibang tablets ng iba't ibang brand. Ang katumbas niyan, 2 tablets lang ni Cell Essentials, isang blue, isang green, no? So, ganun siya ka concentrated. And of course, anong value niya sa life natin? Ang dami mo lang namang health issues na pwedeng maiwasan, no? At syempre, yun nga, yung mga nutrient deficiencies, diyan nagsisimula yung mga health issues na mas matindi, no? And of course, tuloy-tuloy yung pagtatrabaho mo, 'di ba? Kasi hindi ka basta nagkakasakit, hindi ka basta-basta ma-absent, and even your family around you, no? Ang hirap pagka mag-anak yung nagkasakit, 'di ba? Labas talaga yung pera mo diyan. So, don't just think about yourself, think about the family around you, no? And your future. Okay, next. And your future. Ayan. O, sige po. So, sabi nga natin, True health is true wealth. O, di ba? Pag healthy ka, totoong kayamanan po yan. No? And the people you love around you. So everything starts with essentials, but sabi nga po natin, may iba pa pong products si Yosana. Depende po sa goal ninyo. Okay, so ito po yung ilan sa mga other products. Meron po tayong para sa heart, meron po tayo para sa kids, meron po tayo sa brain, memory, sa nerves, sa joints, sa muscle, sa liver, sa digestion, para yung mga medyo nangangasim, sa eyes, no, sa hormones, at meron din tayong fat loss program for weight management for the uh, whitening toothpaste, at meron din po tayong skincare. So if you want to learn more about this, you can reach out to the person who invited you. You can also join us to our events, no? Kasi doon po mas dinidiscuss yung mga tungkol dito, no? Specific for certain health issues, meron pong focus sa certain products, okay, and so on. Ngayon, yung personal experience po na minention ko, isa po dyan yung sa mother ko. Ayan. O, di ba, imagine, she's already 65 years old, but she's very active, no? Nakakapag 10 kilometers, umaakyat siya ng mga bundok. O, di ba? Sino na nakapunta sa Mount Pulag? O, di ba, sa Mount Ulap, sa mga bundok-bundok ng Philippines, no? Makulot, etc., no? So, ang laki po ng change, 'di ba? Kasi when we encountered Yusana, nagsimula rin po siya sa maraming health issues. May mga fatty liver, malaki yung myoma niya, mukha siyang buntis, and namamaga yung joints niya due to arthritis. Okay? Naglalagas yung buhok niya kasi grabe yung fatty liver. And you know what? Just within 6 months of continuously using the products, ang dami pong naging uh, uh, magandang effect sa kanya, no? To the point na talagang, alam mo yon, nagawa niya yung mga bagay na yan. So you can just imagine, di ba, if hindi kami nag-try ng Yosana, no? So baka talagang nasisira na yung joints niya, yung liver niya, talagang grabe na, no? Ang nakakatakot doon, baka magkaroon ng cirrhosis or lumaki talaga yung myoma niya, kailangan pa ng surgery. So thankful, no? We're very thankful that we've encountered Yosana. And at this point, she's enjoying her retirement, no? Pa-travel-travel all over the world, o, 'di ba? So gusto niyo rin ba 'yun para sa inyong loved ones? Ayan. Okay, so thank you po, no? Moving forward, yan. Sabi nga natin, no, napakita natin yung mga awards ni Yosana. Hindi si Yosana ang nag-proclaim, but third-party companies. Okay? And ang dami din niyang benefits. Bakit hindi siya available sa mga drugstore or sa mga pharmacy? So ito na po, pupunta na po tayo dun sa business model ni Yosana. Iba po kasi yung distribution niya, no? Unlike traditional businesses, na pinapadaan sa mga retail outlets like mga pharmacy, mga medrep, etc. Dito po sa Yusana, gusto natin quality, no? Straight from the manufacturer. Okay? At kung gusto mo siyang magamit, dediretso ka talaga sa manufacturer. Hindi mo siya mabibili kung saan-saan. You need to have your own account para sigurado po yung quality na makukuha mo, 'di ba? And on top of that, if you're a consumer and you decided to be a brand partner, no, to also earn from it, pwede, 'di ba? Why not, no? So parang gagamit ka ng products, libre na yung negosyo. Yan po yung concept na Yusana. At ang pwede lang pong magnegosyo nito ay yung mga consumers talaga, 'di ba? Kasi how can you share yung mga personal experience if hindi mo siya ginagamit, no? So sa next page po, so sige po, tuloy-tuloy lang po natin yung ayan, no? So paano po tayo mag-earn? Ayan. So yung mga products na pinakita ko kanina, may mga corresponding points po yun. Yung points, yan po yung nagiging dollar commission natin. So dollars po yung earnings natin dito sa Yusana. And sabi nga natin, under siya ng dropship, no? And you can expand worldwide. Okay, so ito po yung sinasabi natin kanina, may Usana sa US, may Usana sa Canada, sa Australia, sa different parts ng Asia. Sa mga countries na yon, pwede ka magkaroon ng customers doon, pwede ka rin magkaroon ng brand partners. So the more customers you have, the more brand partners, the more possible commissions you may have, 'di ba? And syempre, kailangan may account silang lahat. Okay? So, yan po yung beauty ng dropship, no? Kasi nakaayos na po yung ating mga website, yung mga link. Okay? Magke-create lang sila ng kanilang account and mako-connect yan sa'yo. Okay? And then, as long as they order using their account, magfo-flow towards you yung points ng products nila, thereby giving you commissions in dollars. Sige, moving forward po, ano ang mga ways of earning natin, no? Given that we have that, no, yung products may points na nagiging dollars. So meron po tayong different ways of earning. Nasa-summarize po yan to 3, no? Sige, next page po. Yan, no? So, ipapakita po natin yung ways of earning, but how do we start to have our Usana business? Sabi nga natin, just have your own account, purchase products, 'di ba? Use it, libre na yung negosyo. So, we have 2 to 3 options. First is you have the energy kit. Ito po yung iba't ibang mga combination ng high-value products ni Yosana designed to give you energy, no? Andyan po yung Cellsentials. Meron din pong Magnical D. Wait lang. Wag mo back page. Ayan. No, meron din po tayong Biomega. So, si Biomega, this is fish oil. So, nakita ko parang may nagtanong anong beneficial for the hormones. Biomega is highly beneficial for the hormones, no? Because this is omega-3 and healthy fats. We also have coquinone, coenzyme Q10, no? 2 bottles. Helpful din yan for the hormones kasi antioxidant yan. Nakakatulong yan sa blood sugar. Okay, napoproteksyonan niya yung mga uterus, no, etc., no, yung mga free radical formation ng mga bukol-bukol, no, nakakatulong siya diyan. Proflavanol, no, this is for immunity, for blood pressure, for the skin, vitamin C, no, and Magnical for the bones, migraine, dysmenorrhea, etc., no. Nakakatulong din siya sa blood pressure. So, ang dami na nilang benefits. Okay, so this is perfect for someone who wants to take advantage of the huge discount kasi pag naka-package, malaki din po yung discount. Yan. So, yung second option po natin, you can do instead 6 pairs ng Cellsentials to start up the business, no? Kasi Cellsentials, this is our flagship product. Pero yung discount niya is basic lang, no? Kaya 23,130 lang siya. Yung other option is mga skincare kit naman. Okay, so you can talk more about that doon sa nag-invite sa inyo. Okay, so pero you can imagine just around 20,000, no? You get the products you need for your overall health and meron kang negosyo, 'di ba? Anong negosyo yung worth 20,000? Para pong cellphone, mas mura pa sa iPhone. 'Di ba? Grabe po, no? At marami pong mga payment options or investment options, but think about it, this is a business, no? Pag naglabas po tayo dito, this is a good debt. Babalik siya with potential, hindi lang ROI, but more, 'di ba? More pa, it can grow. Hindi lang siya gaya ng gadgets natin, no? And so no, walang problema yung mga nag-iPhone diyan, okay? Hindi ko kayo inaaway. Kino-compare ko lang. Sige. So if kaya natin 'yon, 'di ba? What more dito? You're hitting 2 birds with 1 stone. Meron kang for the health, meron kang for business, no? And more than 20,000 yung pwedeng bumalik sa iyo. Tapos tuloy-tuloy pa. Remember, we're aiming for leverage income. Sige, so next po, yun na nga, ano ba yung ways that we could earn with Usana? So we have 6 ways of earning, summarized into 3, no? Pero yung first 4 lang yung i-discuss natin. This is very straightforward, okay? So first is yung new sales bonus. Whenever you share Usana, no, to someone else and they decided to create an account. Okay, sige, next po. They decided to create an account, no? And they use that. Okay, so before pala yon, sorry. Basic muna, retail sales. Of course, when you have your own account, you have automatic discount, no? Buy low, sell high. Use your account to purchase products and then share it to other people. Bibilhin nila. Lagyan mo ng patong, no? So, yan po yung first benefit of having your own account. 'Di ba? And then, next is yung sinasabi ko kanina na new sales bonus. On top of selling, no, yung pinapatungan mo, mas maganda itong new sales bonus. Paggawan mo na sila ng account, no? Let them take advantage of the discount as well. Kasi ang benefit naman for you, whenever they use their account, meron kang 10% bonus. So for example, kay Sheila, 'di ba pinagawan mo ng account si Sheila, umorder si Sheila around 200 points yung in-order niya. Meron ka kaagad $20 from that. And then after another, sabi mo 4 weeks, umorder ulit si Sheila, pang replenish ng stock nila, 200 points ulit, you have $20 again right away. No? So new sales bonus, every time they purchase using their account, you have 10% bonus. And this runs for 6 months. No, yung first 6 months niya sa account, meron kang bonus lagi doon. Okay? And this applies to all the new accounts that you will create. May kanya-kanya silang 6 months, no? So, may in-enroll ka ngayon, tatakbo yung 6 months niya. May in-enroll ka bukas, tatakbo din yung 6 months niya. No? So, may kanya-kanya po silang timeline. O sige, pakita po natin, coach, yung timeline. Ayan. So, tatakbo po siya, no? Next month, may in-enroll ka ulit, may tatakbo ulit siyang 6%, 6 months, no? So, yun po ang nakakatuwa. You can look forward to something na will give you bonuses right away. But of course, meron tayong mga nakalatag po na mga paraan, no? Para po regular yung pag-order nila, no? For example, may trainings like this, meron tayong health talk every Sunday, you can also join that, okay? And so on. So, next way of earning po natin on top of the new sales bonus is ito pong ating milestone bonus. So, highly benefit brand partners like you, meron po kayong milestone. In other words, roadmap, no? Parang meron kang mga mini steps na nakalatag para sa'yo para hindi ka lost sa pagsa-start ng iyong partnership with Usana. And every time you accomplish those mini steps, no, yung mission or milestone na yan, nire-reward ka right away. O, di ba? Parang ginawa ko lang yung tama pero may reward ka. Okay? And that's equivalent to a total of additional $300 right away, no? For you, no, if you create those if you accomplish those milestones. At yung mga milestone po na yan, no, the coaches are here to guide you para ma-accomplish nyo sila. 'Di ba? So nakalatag po yung step by step, hindi yung parang nag-start ka lang, lost ka, no? So next po, that's it for share. Next step is grow. Yan. Ito po, i-grow mo na yung business. Hindi lang siya sharing, no? But growing it. So we have what we call the base commission. Ito po yung matching, no, ng left and right market. So same din po, bawat points, meron pong dollar commissions na katumbas. Our dollar in Usana is 55 pesos. Okay, sige, paano po ba nag-work tong base commission? So what will happen is, sabi po natin grow. So ang goal natin dito is to build a team, no? Hindi lang siya benta-benta, no? Build a team, no, ng potential brand partners mo din, customers, no, loyal customers, retailers, brand partners. And dito po, very straightforward lang siya. We just have 2 markets, left market and right market. At depende po sa'yo kung sino po yung ilalagay mo sa left market, right market. So parang common connections, no? Sige po, next page. So dito po, for example, sa, yan, no? So, before po tayo pumunta doon sa structure, meron po tayong global points cutoff that is sa every Saturday. Saturday 2 p.m., Saturday, no, the following week 1:59 p.m. Tinototal po yung points na na-accumulate. Diyan po nanggagaling yung ating dollar commissions na 20%. I hope clear po, no, yung ina-accumulate ng buong organization. Okay, sige, next page po. So, yan. So, ito po yung na-mention ko. 20% of the small side of all the accumulated points throughout the week, yan po yung tinatawag na base commission. Ayan. Sige, next page. So, dito nga po sa structure, ayan, no? So, depende po sa iyo kung sino yung ilalagay mo sa left at sa right. So, for example, dito po sa left, 'di ba, mga kumare natin, no? Si Kumaring Sheila, she ordered 200 points. At ang good thing po, when we grow the business, hindi ka lang magre-rely on your own strengths, no? You get also to earn from the efforts of your team. So for example, si Kumaring Sheila, shinare niya kay Doc, 'di ba? Si Doc J. Aba, nagustuhan ni Doc J. Umorder rin si Doc J. Ire-reseta niya sa mga pasyente niya. Nag-stock na siya sa kanyang pharmacy. Umorder siya ng 200 points. So, ang aakyat sa'yo during that week, yung order ni Kumaring Sheila at yung order ni Doc J. 'Di ba? Pero si Kumaring Sheila lang yung kilala mo. 'Di ba? So, you have 400 points sa left side. Yung iba pong mga doktor, talagang alam mo yun, worth 200,000, yung in-order nila for their patient. Yung iba naman po, 'di ba, for example, mga seafarer, 50,000, 'di ba, pang buong 6 months sa barko, kasama pa yung i-share nila dun sa mga kasama nila, no? So, good thing, lahat po yan possible, umakyat din sa inyo, kahit hindi nyo sila ganun kakilala. No? So, gano'n naman po dito sa right side. No? So, for example, si Pamangkin, no? Umorder siya 200 points. Shinare niya kay tita, no? Umorder naman ng 100 points. So, in this example, 300 points po yung ifa-follow because sa smaller side, 20% of that, you have $60 times 55, 3,300 for that week alone. So, hindi na rin masama, no? Pero ang maganda po dito, think long term because it can grow. Small muna siya sa simula, 'di ba? As long as pero nadadagdagan yung customers nyo, lahat kayo, 'di ba, nagdadagdag ng customers. Pwede siya mag-grow, no? At ang maganda pa dito, consumable yung product, nauubos. So you really have a potential for repeat orders. So 30 plus years na po ang Yusana sa buong mundo dito po sa Philippines. More than 15 years, no? At talaga namang ang dami ng loyal customers niyan. Okay? At 7 consecutive years number 1. O, 'di ba? So nakikita natin yung potential, 'di ba? Very promising. O, 'di ba? So you can go as high as $600 per week or even more, no? So yung speaker po natin later on, napakaganda ng kanyang track record. Isa po siya sa mga trainers dito sa Yusana and you'll surely learn a lot from him. And of course, isa po siyang veteran traditional business owner, yet he added Yusana, no, on his repertoire in his line of business. Ayun. So again, as a brand partner, again, syempre, depende po sa effort natin, no, and dedication. But as you go along, you will have more experience and your effort, no? And yan po yung katumbas ng magiging dollar commissions natin with Yusana. So moving po, no, sa last sharing na lang on ways of earning is the matching bonus. Isa na naman pong bonus, no? Kung kanina po is every order may 10% ka right away. Ito naman is about growing your team again whenever your personally sponsored brand partner earns, meron kang 10% ng earning niya. Okay? Earning na to. Hindi na to orders. Earnings niya na. Pero hindi to ibabawas sa earnings niya. Okay? Bigay lang talaga sa iyo ni Yusana. For example, no, sila kumaring Sheila, si Doc J, si Ate Ann, si Tita Jill, ayan, no, si Pamangkin, si David, nag-earn sila lahat, tagwa $1,000. And assuming na ikaw lahat yung nag-share ng Yusana sa kanila, meron kang 10% mula sa income nilang lahat. No? So, so in this example, you have $1,000 from each. Okay, $500 dun sa iba for a total of $4,000 in terms of bonuses. Okay, so 10%. Ibig sabihin, they earned more than that, no? And then you have 10% of their income. Okay, so ibig sabihin you can bring in partners, no? As many as you can. Yan, lahat potential may bonuses ka from them. Okay, so ganyan po ka-generous si Yosana. And finally, yung atin pong isa pang benefit dito is the travel incentives. So yung mga earnings mo, no, you get to keep all of them. It depends on you. Saan mo ilalagay, no? Syempre, depende na po sa inyo yan. Just pay your taxes, di ba? Ayan. BIR, ayan, no? Anyway, ang good thing po is Yusana rewards your effort ng travel incentive naman. O, di ba? So, hindi nila ibabawas to sa income mo, no? Talagang ipagta-travel ka nila while recognizing your efforts, no? Habang lumalaki yung income mo, mas nare-recognize ka pa. But don't worry, kahit nagsisimula ka pa lang, meron na rin mga travel incentives para sa mga nagsisimula. But we can assure you, lahat ng mga travel incentives ay VIP treatment at lagi po siyang good for two. So, hindi lang ikaw. Meron kang +1. And finally, meron pong pocket money na binibigay. O, di ba? So, pati yung pambili mo ng pasalubong, no? Yung mga other trips na gusto mong gawin while you're on the incentive. Okay, pwedeng-pwede mo yan gawin. And ako po, ayan, personally, na-experience ko rin yan. Cruise, no? May mga recognition, may mga awarding. And syempre, lagi kong dinadala yung mother ko, 'di ba? Yung pinakita kong testimony kanina, no? So, true health and true wealth talaga. Ayan. So, and of course, yan po yung pinakita natin kanina, no? Yung repeat orders. Okay, so we have what we call subscription, no? Subscribe and save. So whenever you order using your account, you can take advantage of additional 10% discount to keep your account active, no? Parang ito po yung operational expense natin sa partnership na ito. But rest assured, 100% products pwede mong gamitin to stay healthy or pwede mong ibenta, no? Kasi malaking-malaki yung discount, no? Patungan mo lang siya. On top of that, your brand partners will also enjoy this, your customers. So giving you a regular flow of points again, of course, potential dollar commissions, no? Kasi yun nga, this is consumable, tuloy-tuloy yung flow. So yun yung kailangan natin ma-appreciate, no? May subscription service si Yosana. So pwedeng tuloy-tuloy yung client base mo, yung repeat orders mo. Hindi ko yung parang nagsimula ka lang, ay tapos nawala. Okay? So, yan ang maganda dito sa capacity ni Yosana to fulfill orders. Okay? So, finally, ayan, no? So, okay. So, next po, sabi nga natin, o, diba, lumalaki siya, no? And finally, this is inheritable. Lumalaki ng lumalaki, no? Potential for growth yung business mo. You can, ano to, make pamana. Pwede mo ipamana, o, diba? So, sa next in line, okay? So, this is a true business, no? Legacy. And Yusana has been present for more than 30 years. Nangyari na po talaga na hindi nag-start from scratch or from zero yung mga anak nila, no? The parents were able to break the generational poverty and yung pinamanahan nilang anak, no? They were able to continue the business, no? Na talagang family business na nila yung Yusana. Okay, so imagine your family business starting just around 20,000, yung operational expense mo, product, and then you can expand worldwide. My website, ang ganda nung benefits, okay? Ang daming pwedeng matulungan, may potential for continuous repeat orders, subscriptions, no? So, ang ganda ng business mo, di ba? Na pwede mo pang ipamana in the future. And finally, so ito po yung team that will help you. Okay. So before that, ang assurance po dito ni Yusana ay fast results. Okay? In summary, if you want for the health, no, fast yung results niyan, mararamdaman mo agad yung benefits. Kung gusto mo mag-earn, pwede rin fast din ang result kasi as soon as you share it, no, may bonus ka na kaagad from Yusana, no? So either way, if you want one of this or both, 'di ba? Andyan kaagad yung promise ni Yusana. Ayan. Sige po. So moving forward, sabi ko nga, ito po yung team that will support you. We are Team Core Edge, no? At sabi po ni Richard Branson, if someone offers you an amazing opportunity, but you're not sure if you can do it, diba? Just say yes. And then learn how to do it later. Yan. So, lahat po kami nagsimula dyan. Baka na-overwhelm ka sa ngayon, no? But I hope meron kang nakuha na a few things, diba? Basta ang summary po, fast ang results. Whether it be health, whether it be business, no? So again, we are from Team Core Edge, no? So iba't iba kami ng background. Merong nasa health, merong nasa pag-aartista, meron din pong nasa academe, tama ba 'yon? Meron ding nasa tourism, no? Meron din pong nasa finance. Okay? So meron din pong nasa traditional business. But the question is, where do you see yourself? 'Di ba? Is it consumer, retailer, 'di ba? Or business builder or brand partner? Oh, 'di ba? So, with that, I hope marami po kayo natutunan from me. Okay? At meron po kayong mga pagninilay-nilayan. But stay, okay? Because meron po tayong napakagaling na speaker after me. Okay, na talagang highly experienced, no, in this industry, and he will share more about his experience din and expertise dito. So with that, I will give the floor back to our host, artistahin, ayan, si Coach Lyra. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, our Coach Gian, our registered nutritionist, dietitian in the team, no? So, parang meron pang gustong magpa-consult, Coach. So, thank you so much for that very comprehensive presentation. So, can we type in the chat box, thank you, Coach Gian. Ayan, so para talagang maibigay natin yung deepest gratitude natin kay Coach Gian for sharing with us yung kanyang time and expertise, di ba, in the business. And of course, sabi niya nga, meron pa tayong second speaker. So for sure sa ating mga guests, no, more likely gusto mo namang i-experience ang products or gawin yung business, pero may mga katanungan pa sa isip mo right now. Tama? So, that was me 6 years ago when Yusana was presented to me. Okay? So, ngayon, perfect itong ating guest speaker, okay, yung ating second speaker natin, para talagang mabigyan niya kayo, ma-walk through niya kayo, ano ba yung pwedeng mangyari, okay, in the long run, if you say yes on the business side ng Yusana. And personally, kumusta ba yung naging experience niya so far, okay? So, he is a corporate consultant focused on business systems implementation, organization transformation. So talagang kung negosyo at negosyo ang pag-uusapan, ito massive na talagang experience niya, no? A business owner in the field of product distribution and digital embroidery services. So Familiar ba kayo dun sa 7D Mangoes? So, yung business niya, yun po ang nagde-distribute ng pambansang pasalubong ng bayan. Ang 7D Mangoes, di ba? So, every time pupunta ka ng ibang bansa, di ba, yung mga kamag-anakan mo, yun talaga yung top of mind na ipapasalubong natin sa kanila di ba? So, at least makita natin ano ba yung point of view ng someone na nagnenegosyo na traditional and then right now, also part of Usana na on now merong drop shipping business concept, di ba? Close to 3 decades of corporate experience na siya and and held senior leadership roles in training, manufacturing operations, supplier management, quality and systems. So parang halos lahat ng aspeto ng operations ng business na daanan niya na talaga. Okay? And he is a member of OMF Literature Board of Trustees, FEBC Board of Trustee, Bible teacher at CCF's Global Leadership Center. So, naka-center din kay Christ, di ba? Everything that we do has to be centered on the Lord. So, praise God for this opportunity that He's available right now to share with us yung buong journey niya in the business. And in USANA, he's a multiple travel incentive qualifier, a pace setter, and pace setter creator, and of course, our gold director. So, siya na lang yung mag-share na yan. Ano ba yon, di ba? Para hindi ko na ma-preempt. So, let's all welcome with much enthusiasm, di ba? I-type natin sa chat box. Welcome, Coach June. Hello, Coach June.
Hello, good evening. Yan, June lang, June, pwede na. Yan, good evening and then good evening also to the guests, no? Pwede ko ba malaman kung sino dito yung mga guests natin? O mga tahimik ang ating mga guests, no? Ayan. Tahimik ba? Sino dito yung mga guests? Yung mga guests, pwede bang pa-type ng 1? O tulog na kayo? Tulog na kayo? Ayan. Miss Shireen Joy, no? Yan. Ano ba ang inyong, yun pala mga guests, no? And mas maganda actually if you can open your videos para at least mas makita ko kayo mga yan. Anyway, sige, let me just share my story, no? And then why I started this and nasa na ba ako so far. And I hope this will somehow inspire you and help you in making your decision for what you have seen. Ano na ba I hope you have something that you like, no? Ano ba nagustuhan niyo pa? Pwede bang matanong ko kayo, yung mga guests, paki-type na lang. Anong pinaka nagustuhan niyo sa nakita niyo sa presentation? Product, yung business, opportunity to earn, pareho. Tahimik itong mga guests natin, ha? Di bale. Sige, let me share with you very quickly lang what I have so far about products and earnings. Ayan, sige. Ah, tama naman. Yun naman talaga ang gusto nating earning. No? And I'll share pwede niyo naman akong tanong later, no? But let me just share my story very quickly. And then also why I'm doing the business so far. No? Ayan, kita niyo ba ang aking screen na, no? Sige. So sabi nga ni Lyra kanina, no? I'm a business consultant, no? I'm a business consultant. I also train and I am an entrepreneur, no? And um itong background ko. Let me just share the chat box. Yan. Ayan. So sabi nga kanina ni Lyra, I have more than 25 years of corporate experience, no? Matagal ako dyan. So, mostly in technology companies. And then while I was actually building my career, I have started a lot of businesses. Marami rin akong naluging business. I'll share to you very quickly later in the next slide. No? So sabi nga niya kanina, yan, kami gumagawa ng mga patches ng military. Matagal na rin yan. And then yan, yung 7D Mangoes. I do consulting. I'm one of the consultants ng Leadership in Motion. It's a global consulting firm. And I'm a board of trustees ng FEBC. And I'm actually the incoming chairman ng Board of Trustees ng OMF Literature. No? In 7 years here in USANA as a brand partner, I'm a gold director. No? And ayun ba lang ang aking slide. Yan. And then, sabi ko, ito ko lang mabilis. I'm an engineering graduate. And then I also, was sent by the company to study at AIM. Marami akong dinaan ng trabaho. But marami akong dinaan ng trabaho. But yan, I started to build my career. But I left the corporate world. Marami akong pinasok na negosyo. Selling clothes. No, kasi yung sister-in-law ko dati nasa garment industry yan. So, uwi kami from Hong Kong. Minsan bumiyahe kami. Nagbenta ako laundry soap. Sa kagustuhan ko, and then yan, nag-food cart ako. Yan. And then, nalugi yan. Malaki-laki yung nilabas ko dyan. Napakagandang patungan yan sa bahay ngayon. And then I even invested in Uncle Sheffy. So marami mo naman nalugi. No? I even joined many MLM companies. So yan ang ano. So kung lugit-lugi sa negosyo ang pag-uusapan, ayan, talagang malalim ang experience ko diyan. Sa kalugian. But I was introduced to this business, no? Ay, sorry. I was introduced to this business. Wala yung ano ko. Sorry. Hold on. So I was introduced actually to this business by by a friend of ano yan, ang kasama ko actually sa kasama ko sa church. One of the top leaders here in one of the top leaders here in USANA, and he introduced it to me. So sabi ko, ang dami kong pinasok ng mga iba-ibang similar business models. But sabi ko, it's really not my cup of tea. I'm an engineering graduate. So hindi ko siya linya. Hindi ko siya linya. Now, I really felt that sales is really not my cup of tea, yun ang sinabi ko sa kanya. No, but at that time but ang hindi ko makalimutan kasi sa kanya when he showed me his income, he was an executive, no. So, six-figure income was normal naman sa akin yon. Pero when I saw his income, sabi ko nakita ko yung income niya, close to 150 million in 10 years. Sabi ko, parang mas madami naman ako skill set dito, pero hindi ko nakuha yun. More than 25 years ako in the business, in the corporate world. No? So I said, sige, subukan ko lang. Now, we were actually users of the product. May binibilan yung wife ko sa office. No? Pero sabi ko, sige, subukan. Why not? No? Why not? And ang nasa isip ko lang noon, what if, even if I'm not good at sales, what if I just get 10% of what he is earning? Yun lang ang nasa isip ko, yung close to 150 million. So if you divide that to 10 years, 150 million, 10 years, 15 million, sabi ko, part-time, not bad, it's still good income. Pag negosyante ka kasi, nag-iisip ka talaga ng always an opportunity always an opportunity for you to gain income. No? Kaya hindi ako naniniwala na porque may negosyo ka na, hindi ka papasok sa mga iba pang negosyo. No? Because lahat ng negosyante papasok yan sa pwedeng pagkakitaan. No? Parang sila Henry C. Hindi naman tumigil yung magpalaki ng negosyo, di ba? They continue to do that. No? So, yan. So, nakita ko yon. And then, in my, wala kasi yung slide ko kanina, in my experience so far with the product, at that time na nag-join kami sana, sabi ko sige subukan ko. My son was actually diagnosed with a disease, Crohn's disease. No, it's an autoimmune disease, rare yun. Yung intestine niya puno ng ulcers, and then part ng diagnosis dapat ma-surgery siya. Just to cut the long story short, no, meron akong reference na nakita, yung mga tawag dito yung recommended products ng USANA, Pinatake lang namin yun blindly to my son. And then 3 weeks after we went to the doctor, hindi na natuloy yung surgery. So it's been 6 years and my son has been in remission for 6 years. Dapat mai-injectan siya ng ano no, yung biologics, yung immunosuppressant. Ang isang monthly yun, ang isang injection yun nasa 50 to 100,000. Lifetime yun. So we're very thankful. No, of course, it's the Lord who healed my son. No? At least hindi na inflammation. No, so but this is still a blessing from the Lord, no. So far, so initially pag tiningnan nyo, no, you can do this part-time eh. When I was starting, ito yung ano ko, no, imagine mo 13,000 in a month, tapos pwede talaga pumalo. Not bad, no? Pagka ganyan yung part-time, when you were starting as a start, no, from 13, nag-average ka, tumaas ka. So you will see here that is really leverage income. Yung pinakita kanina na earning plan ng Usana, makikita mo talaga that this is a leverage business. Because marami kang katulong in doing the business, hindi lang ikaw. Kaya ako marami pinasok na negosyo na hindi natuloy or nalugi. I really didn't know how to do things. So tapos wala akong katulong. But this one, you find leverage, no? And then, after 5 years, actually, babagal yung 5 years, no? I earned $4,000 in a month. We were recognized in Malaysia and also here in Marriott, no? Which I never imagined, no? Alam mo na, sabi ko nga na achieve ko naman yung mga ganyang income in the corporate world. Yep, no? Pero inugat muna ako sa corporate bago ko kinita yan. But dito, part-time, nakikitain mo yung ganyan. Gusto mo ba yung ganon? Yan. Di ba magandang income yan. So, and yan. And and then so far, mga travels, no? We were sent to the Boracay because of a travel incentive. Latest one was in Sapporo, in Japan, no? And alam mo, nakarating na naman ako dito. And in my travel, marami. In my previous work, marami naman akong travels eh. Kaya initially when travels were being shown to me, sabi ko it wasn't really resonating kasi been there, done that, no? Pero alam mo yung pinag-travel ka ni Usana ng libre, alam mo, yung mga travel ko kanong puro business trip yun eh, no? So pero ito yung pure pleasure, bayad ka pa, all expenses paid. Hindi mo iniisip yung itinerary mo, yung lahat ng ano. So plus you will be with a group of leaders as well, yung mga naging successful and how marami kang matututunan. So nakarating na naman ako dito sa Sapporo before, no, in travel incentive naman ng wife ko nasa insurance business yung wife ko. No, pero hindi siya winter, pero iba yung experience ng winter. No? So it's very a great experience because Malaysia sa South Korea, marami naman tayong diyan, ano. So let me just share to you, no. Alam mo bakit mo kailangan what I believe everybody should get into, no, is really get an additional income stream, no? Because statistically, there's really going to be the personal debt is rising, no, and the trends. No, ito sa NEDA, sabi niya 120,000 monthly income for a family afford to have a decent life. And yet, the average salary in the Philippines, entry level, 19 to 23, intermediate, tapos senior na, 40, 40, 63. No? So, paano mong mabubuhay ang karamihan? And then, if you look at it, ang retirees at the age of 65, 45% dependent on relatives, 30% dependent on charity, still working. The 2% lang financially independent. No? In fact, I have friends calling me. No, I have a friend who called me, tinanong niya talaga, no, if I still do my business, etc. Because he was worried he's about to retire. Kanina lang mayroon nag-message sa akin asking kasi magre-retire na siya next year. No? So, and wala pang options. So, so talagang alam mo ba, 7 out of 10 Filipinos are actually hustling to meet family needs. No, even Gen Zs lahat mo, ano bang ano diyan? Ano ba ang generation nyo? Gen X ako eh. So, hindi ako boomer, ha? So, yan, ano, lahat naghahanap ng side income. No? Kasi, when I was growing my career, even when I was a manager already, I was still trying to augment my income because in employment, laging kulang. No? Tsaka, of course, laging tumataas ang ano natin, ano? But in looking for a side income, marami ka naman pwedeng option eh. Pwede kang mag-work abroad, no? Probably same ano, mas mataas, no? Pero mataas din naman ang expenses mo doon. Or another part-time job, you do a sidekick, you do a freelance using your expertise. Pwede naman din 'yon, no? But the best really is business, no? Because it's really high income. Or pwede ka rin mag-invest mga stocks, etc. Many people think na mag-invest na lang ako, no? Pero bibigyan lang kayo ng statistics, no? Alam niyo ba, 'di ba yung pag-ibig na MP2, if you're aware of that, yung savings plan ng pag-ibig, no? Kung gusto mo mag-earn ng 100,000 a month, alam mo ba kung magkano kailangan mo naka-invest doon? O 100,000 naman, kasi 7% ang pag-ibig, MP2. Oh. Baka hindi nyo pa nakukompute. Kailangan mo lang naman ng 17 million. Ngayon, kung meron ka naman doon, di okay. Hindi ilagay mo doon. No. Pero ang sinasabi ko lang dito, marami talagang pwedeng pasukin na side income. No? Yun lang, may makanya-kanyang advantages and disadvantages. The advantage that I see in Usana, no? One, it's flexible at saka ang difference in Usana, flexible and scalable, no? Ako meron akong store, meron akong distribution business, no? I need an inventory ng goods, no? Tapos, alam mo, mahirap sa cash flow kasi ang collection namin sa supermarket minsan 45 days, 60 days, no? So ito, wala kang malaking kapital, wala kang physical store, wala kang empleyado, no? Pero kaya mong kitain yung pareho. So you have an e-commerce platform that is free. So lahat ng transaction mo libre. Ay libre ang transaction mo ay online, I'd rather, no? You have access to scientists. Alam mo, kami lang ito lang ang wellness company, no? May 150 scientists, no? So in which you can ask, may access tayo dyan, sasagot talaga sila. Then here you will be mentored personally. Ako, isang sabi ko nga, yung marami ako nag-fail na business kasi wala naman nag-mentor sa akin. I didn't know marketing, I didn't know anything. So kaya, trial and error. No? Dito, i-guide ka. We have a Usana University system. Magbabuhat lang ako ng bangko. Ako yung one of the principal authors niyan. Create namin yan so that we can professionalize the training. Lahat ng bagong brand partners magdadaan dyan and really will be onboarded and will be trained. No? And then, imagine mo, we have a global service support, global market and delivery support. Lahat yan libre. Pag magtatayo ka ng negosyo, yan po problemahin mo. Ikaw ang magsatayo ng sistema, lahat, no? Dito wala dito ang gagawin lang natin ni market yung product at saka yung opportunity. Lahat yan nakasistema na libre. Kaya technically yung pinakita kanina na product, no? Technically libre yung negosyo, bumili ka lang ng product eh. So, and then just imagine bakit napakaganda siyang opportunity. Look at this projection. No, in 2023, ayan ang projection 6.3 trillion yung itong global wellness market. No, in 2027 tingnan mo, ang projection tataas sa 25. Tapos 10 trillion. Kukurot ka lang ng maliit diyan. Kukurot ka ng maliit diyan. No, why not take this opportunity? We are in the wellness business. In fact, mayroon pang next data to, hindi ko na lang papakita. Dito sa projection na to, ang top 2 areas ng wellness na top 2 areas are yung skincare and then nutritionals. Parehong meron si Usana. No? So kaya pag tiningnan mo yung projections, you will be in the right business, you will be in the right industry. And you are in the riding the right wave or trend, no? Kaya wala ka dito. Ito pala, akala ko hinaid ko. Look, if you look at this, personal care and beauty. Ang market size yan by 2028, 1.5 trillion. No? And then healthy eating, nutrition, and weight management, 1.49 trillion. Ganyang kalaki yung market Kaya iniisip mo, baka mamaya iniisip mo, wala naman akong kakilala or saturated na yung wala pong produktong nagsasaturate. No, sa dami ng lahat ng bahay may ilaw na, no? Bakit ang dami-dami pa rin nagbebenta ng ilaw, no? So, yan. So, pag tinignan mo yan, ganyang kalaki yung market. Yung personal care and beauty at saka healthy eating, yan yung top 2 na mag-grow. Sila yung may pinakamalaking percentage. Parehong meron si Usana niyan. So, again, you're in the right industry. No? So, dito sa Isana, hindi lang yung pinakita kanina, yung ganda-ganda ng compensation plan ni Isana, the earnings, the discount, the commissions, the bonuses, and all. No? We have the best of the best products. You have a low risk sa startup ng negosyo. Yung tools ni Usana, ako ay implement, part of my consulting is implementing systems. Nakita ko yung ang system ni Usana, it's one of the most stable that I've seen. No? So in my experience as a systems implementer, no? And then here you will really see a sustainable income. Nakita niya naman. Marami pa dito stories of people who have really sustained their income over the years, no? Because of the leverage. So we have a very strong training system. Tapos dito mag-grow ka personally, not just in your health, because of your personalized mentorship, at saka you will grow here as a leader. Personal growth. Dami pa, puro libre pa ang training. You know, I conduct training courses, no? And I get paid by the hour. No? And kung araw-araw ako magte-train, kasi ayoko lang mapagod na gano'n. Kung araw-araw ako I can earn in millions. No? So, ganun ka, dito libre. Kaya minsan magtuturo ako dito na parang lugi naman ako dito, parang wala akong bayad. No? Pero that's part of the service that we provide. Just being part of the community, because the community is very vibrant. No? Yung culture of wellness and growth, no? Bigla na nga ako naging health advocate ngayon, no? I'm attending a wellness coach program. Tapos you will get through a local and global recognition. You will meet a lot of people that we will learn from. Very positive and supportive yung environment, no? Hindi uso mga nega-nega dito. At saka toxic environment kagaya sa sa employment. No? Dito nagtutulungan ng mga tao, no? That's why being here 7 years, no, mayroon ako isang kaibigan na he joins, and sabi ko, bakit? Ba't ka actually rejoin? I-rejoin Jusana. Sabi ko, bakit? Sabi niya, nagstay ka kasi akala ko titigil ka dyan eh. So, sabi ko, ba't ako titigil dito? Ang ganda-ganda ng opportunity. No? So, yan. Alam mo, there are 3 things. I'm sure all of you mga guests sa mga guests natin, meron kayo. Ito ang top 3 concerns that I always encounter. Money, wala akong pera, wala akong oras, o wala akong linya. Ito lang ang tanong ko sa inyo. Wala ka ba talagang pera o hindi mo lang nakikita that this is worth it? No? Kanina sinasabi yung mas mahal pa yung iPhone, totoo naman 'yun. No? Bakit tayo nakakabili ng iPhone? Or whatever phone that yung mas mamahalin, no? Because you think it's worth it. No? Hindi ba worth mag-invest sa sa health mo? No? So, yun, is it really worth your money? Is it really going to be is it worth your time? No? Sabihin mo, hindi ko linya. Sabihin mo, hindi ko linya. Ako rin, hindi ko, yan ang number 1 objection ko noon is hindi ko linya to. Because I'm an engineer. And never held a sales job in my entire life. No? Pero alam nyo ngayon, I now teach sales. In fact, dahil nasa insurance yung wife ko. In fact, I taught her team on how to close sales. So, from someone who hates sales. In fact, ayoko talaga ang sales. Matagal na ako sinasama ng wife ko dun sa insurance. Sabi niya, when I left the corporate world, sabi niya, sama ka na lang sa akin dito. Sabi ko, ayoko nga sales. Sabi ko, sales. Gagawin ko dyan. And now, talagang full circle. Natatawa ako talaga ganyan. Alam mo, yung linya, pwedeng linyahin niya. No, this is just a skill. And I discovered na ang sales is simply a life skill. I think everybody should learn it. Pero money and time, this will create time freedom for you. because it will create some time flexibility for you. Kasi ano naman to I mean part-time. Designed dito for part-timers. We're not going to ask you to resign from your jobs or drop your business. You can just add this on. No, but if you're looking for especially if you're looking for additional income stream, no, this will be shorter. No, if you want to earn, this will be shorter. Kung pwede ka na mag-invest, kaya lang ang kalaban mo sa investment, oras at saka laki ng investment mo. No? And then yan, money. No? If you think this is worth it, napakaliit nitong investment. Recently may kaibigan ako, nagtayo siya ng Chowking. Oh, 45 million. Diba? Sabi ko, okay. Tapos tinanong ko magkano yung projection na gano'n. Nakita ko gano'n. Sabi ko, ay, kayang-kayang i-earn dito yan. Ay, dito yan. No? So let me end with this. No? Ito. I have 3 reasons kung bakit ko ginagawa to. No? Ang most asked question kasi sa akin whenever I meet someone tapos malalaman nila na ganito, no? Bakit naman pag ginagawa ang iyo sana may negosyo ka naman? Yan ang most common question sa akin. Of course, most common question because may negosyo ka naman, etc. Recently, may nag-join sa akin in this business who owns 5 clinics. Ano na to? I mean, talagang super, why did he join? Because he wanted to help people. And then, nakita ko rin talaga sa kanya, again, negosyante talaga eh. Kung pwedeng kumita, pwedeng kita. No, in fact, recently, mga nag-join sa akin, mga negosyante. No? So, sa akin, healthy and graceful aging, the products help my whole family. No? Kaya makita niyo naman, sana naman nakikita niyo ang graceful aging sa akin. Ano? Ang biro ko lagi, 75 years old na ako. Biro lang. So, then, second is continuous cash flow. I really, I can testify that the cash flow here continues. Darating yung point, I was thinking, when I in my old age, itong mga negosyo, syempre you want to somehow slow down or not put enough effort. But dito kasi, even if you slow down, when I've seen it from a lot of people, the cash continues to flow. Syempre, kahit pag tumatanda tayo, hindi naman tumitigil ang gastos. So, pero sa makukunin yung cash flow. And then lastly, it's really purposeful. I really, because of the community that I am able to serve, and then also, syempre, mas legacy business pwede ko ipamana sa aking mga anak. So, and then the income will continue. So, that's why we're doing this. So, if you're having doubts, here's my question to you. What would you rather have? Kung mayroon kayong tanong, which would you rather have? Would you like to stay here in this side? Anong gusto mo? Choose. Dalawa lang naman yung choice mo dyan eh. Pumunta ka dito, maaaring you're wanting to have an additional income stream. Now evaluate your options. Kailangan mo may gawin para magkaroon ka ng additional, whatever goal, financial goal you have. Would you rather take the risk? Alam mo, yung mga nagkakaroon ng additional income stream, yung pumapasok sa risk. Hindi naman risky talaga itong sana. No? Or would you rather just stay and have your financial anxieties and limitations? What happens if you don't do this? You will keep on searching for opportunity or will you papasok ka? No? Would you rather have financial growth or mag-stagnate yung income mo? Or slowly grow, or very slow on growth? Would you rather have a sustainable income or would you rather think of retirement security concern? Naiisip mo lagi, paano pag nag-retire ako? Paano pag nag-retire ako? O paano pag nag-retire ako? No? A vibrant community o gusto mo toxic environment? Gusto mo maging negosyante kung hindi ka pa negosyante? Alam mo, this is the best entry. Yeah, that's why I will tell people, kung wala kang experience sa pagnenegosyo, this is the best entry kasi tuturuan ka. Ang liit pa ng risk mo. No? Or gusto mo, diyan ka lang, lagi ka lang hanap ng opportunity. Lahat na lang ng presentation inattendan mo. Lahat na lang, pumunta ka na sa mga expo, lahat, no? Franchise, etc. Pero you never get into it. Kaya you keep on missing on the business ventures, no? Would you rather make a difference, help a lot of people, or constantly think of yourself na ano bang dapat kong gawin? What else? How can I serve people? Ito marami siyang ang pwedeng ano. And then, of course, would you rather stay with health challenges if you have? Eventually, lahat tayo magkakaroon ng health challenges. Or would you like to protect your family's health now? If you want to be on the right side, ako, I will recommend be a partner of USANA. So, yun lang ang aking salamat ng marami. Kung may tanong kayo, what questions do you have? May tanong lang kayo.
Ayan, meron bang tanong? Thank you so much, Coach June. No? We're very inspired and more than inspired, kumbaga parang mas naging klaro, di ba? Ano ba yung advantages ng ginagalawan nating opportunity right now in Yasana? And for our guest tonight, no, very prominent yung sinabi yung parang pinaka bottom line nung shinare ni Coach June is that kailangan may gawin tayo, di ba? If we want this, so what's next, diba? So, galaw tayo. And the first step really, the very beautiful, diba? And an opportunity that meets you right where you are is eto na Yusana na. So, thank you again, Coach June, for sharing with us your journey in Yusana, your point of view, no, as an entrepreneur himself. And may we request for a quick photo of, ayan, so makapagpa-picture tayo with Coach June. And after this, sa ating mga brand partners and guests for tonight, there will be a breakout room. So pag may nakita po kayo sa screen niyo, just click on join so that you can talk to the person who invited you and mas mapag-usapan ninyo how you can work this together, di ba? How you can start your journey in Yusana. Alright, so ayan, may hahabol pa. Open camera para makapag-picture na tayo. Alright, okay. Take yung photo in 3, 2, 1, and smile. Alrighty, thank you again, Coach June. We appreciate your time and your expertise, your business inputs. Thank you, Coach June.
Thank you.
The breakout room will now be open. This has been your host, Lyra, and this is Yasana. Your health, your life, your way. So welcome to the team, everyone.
Open na po yung breakout room. Please enter na lang po. Kay John Der tsaka kay Geraldine, please join yung breakout room po.